roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah.
What's up guys, PC here. कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope that every one of you is doing great and is fit and fine. Today I'm here at Brightland Resort Mahableshwar and it is one of the best resorts I have ever been to. So the best thing about this resort is its nature, and as you all know that I love nature so much, and over here you feel a very different kind of a vibe. The air is different and there's so much calmness in the surrounding that it makes your heart so happy. Honestly speaking, I am really having a fun time at this place. So this is the restaurant and the food of this restaurant is so good that I bet you all must have never had such a kind of food anywhere in the world. Especially the breakfast. It's like heaven. Just have a look at all the different types of plants they have. And don't tell me that the pool doesn't excite you to just have a big jump in it. Also there's a jacuzzi and a steam room. So these are the maple rooms. I stayed here once and they are worth a try. So I'll just quickly show you my rooms. Unfortunately, I made this video during my checkout, so I don't have much to show. But the rooms were really amazing. I would give 4 stars out of 5 to the room. These are the new cottages they have built and they look like. And not just this, they even have a cricket lawn, a tennis court, a basketball court and even a volleyball court. Our normal routine over here is playing cricket for like 2-3 hours and just have a big jump in the pool. And honestly speaking, no matter how many times I have been here, I just don't get bored, and every time for me it's kind of like a new experience. Okay, that's it. I hope that you all must have liked the video. If you did, please do like, share, subscribe to the channel. And as always, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, be happy, stay calm, stay amazed. Bye.